Hello and welcome back, everybody. I have returned to the Snyder's Landing Caves. We got one entrance here, one there. You might remember this was the first cave I ever did, so it's pretty nostalgic. Super fun. We're gonna go back deeper this time. I actually have gear and experience. Anyhow, I'm joined by Tyler, Ashby, check out his YouTube channel, and Elysia's in the other entrance. But thank you for joining me. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. We'll see you inside. All right, we are back at Snyder's Landing. This is my first cave ever. Quite nostalgic.
Coming?
Sure am. The cold killed my battery.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. I don't know why. This is as far as I got last time.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Ooh, spider.
It's so cool coming back. So the spiders we see in caves, aren't those orb weavers?
This one looks like it. I think.
I guess on the bright side, if they bite us, we can always just bite back. Just bite them back, that'll teach them.
Yeah, I'm sure it will.
Right?
There are a bunch of them back here. Another one.
Is that side pass as it connects to the other side?
I mean, you can go that way to get to that side passage. The bone. Oh, there's a skull. Two skulls. Really?
What do you say?
The puddle's full of frogs. So watch your step.
Oh, I'm so happy I can make it back here and see the whole thing.
A lot of bones back here.
Wow. We got skulls back here.
Where are the frogs? Oh, in that puddle?
Got skulls.
I don't see any frogs.
Oh.
Where's the frogs?
All right. Gotta catch up with the rest of the gang. I think those might be kind of like raccoon skulls or possum skulls, maybe, if I could guess.
Sure.
Oh, wow, yeah, there's more bones. Wow, this is an interesting room. Minus all these gigantic spiders.
Right?
I'm not the biggest fan, but that's okay.
I'm not a fan, but they don't bother me. Like,
Wow, we can actually stand through here.
Yup.
Stay away, you little spideys.
Okay. Frog right there, jumping on my boot. Frog right there.
Where's he at?
There's one right there,
Hey,
and there's one right there.
Frogger. I'll be careful not to stomp on him.
Right? I just like, what if I slip?
Hello, little amphibian friends. Okay. Try not to stomp on him. It's a little slick back here.
Yeah, that's what I was nervous about. Sliding back into them.
I kind of need to step where they're at, but I don't want to. Just gonna wedge
It's
my.
gonna be awkward, but you can do it.
Yeah, made it. Stupid humongous helmet.
Yeah, that's a little. That was a little squanchy.
Wow, I had no clue this cave went back this far.
Yeah. Little side path.
Wow. I totally missed out the first time. Look at this.
They're that way, I think.
Oh, Ashby and Tyler went through there?
Yeah. But still.
Wow. This goes back a lot further than I thought. Well, let's catch up with the guys. They're coming back out?
No, my pack.
Oh. There's some interesting formations.
Did you guys crawl? Okay.
We crawling?
Yeah. Like that one spot I was like, what did it grow? Like, I kind of hurt my feelings.
Come on, right behind you.
Back there? No.
On the left when you're coming this way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
But maybe. Then I want to look at it. Yeah, like. My husband's still running.
Ooh, bonjour.
Where are those tissues? No, I'm hot.
It's super nice in here compared to outside.
yeah.
Ooh.
I was surprised how far back this one went.
Wait, these first?
I guess as long as you pull them out.
Right?
Yeah, this one's tight part down here. I'll go feet first though. There's enough room to turn around. I'm gonna pop my helmet off. Oh yeah.
That's why I don't put things down.
So as you heard Ashby say in the background,
Yeah.
if you're going down a pathway that's tight and going down, you want to go feet first, because like the Nutty Putty Cave incident.
Right.
I don't necessarily know what's down this little crawlway. It's gonna squeeze in here.
Is there anything off to the left?
Looks like it just
No.
looks like it ends down here. It keeps going.
I'm guessing it might be to the right.
There's a little tight passage to my right.
It's gotta be to the right.
That little hole.
Yep.
There's no way. Alright, so we're in the serpent tunnel connecting both parts of Snyder's Landing.
I hope.
We hope. And you can see it's a tight squeeze through there. You can turn sideways. And Elysia is leading the way on the connection between these two caves.
I might be stuck.
And I hope she's not stuck.
Let me see.
We're gonna think this out a second. Here is the second part of Snyder's Landing Cave. It's been over a year since I've been in here. Oop, my bad. Whew.
back last time because we didn't have any gear at all. Oh no, I got this far. And then I was like, oh, mouse!
Is there a mouse there?
Right there! You see him? He just ran it. Run. Did you see him?
No, I missed it.
Ah. So I looked two little glowy eyes and he was like, alright. Here I come, mouse. Ooh. Maybe.
Yeah, it's a little tight. I got my upper half through.
Swallowed a fly. Wow, that is a little snug, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Oop, my bad. Whew.
I don't think I crawled this far back last time because we didn't have any gear at all. Oh no, I got this far. And then I was like, oh, mouse!
Is there a mouse there?
Right there! You see him? He just ran it. Run. Did you see him?
No, I missed it.
Ah. So I looked two little glowy eyes and he was like, alright. Here I come, mouse. Ooh. Maybe.
Yeah, it's a little tight. I got my upper half through.
Swallowed a fly. Wow, that is a little snug, huh?
Yeah, it is.
I'll see if I can make it. I'm coming.
There's a lot more than last. Wish I'd gotten the mouse though.
Phew.
Right? Do not get stuck. I'm not going any further.
I made it. Made it to the end.
I saw a little mouse.
I heard.
Run.
Oh, it keeps going.
Go ahead.
Whew. That concludes today's journey. Thank you for joining me, guys. I'll see you all next time, and I'll put you away because we got to get back through there and get out of here. I'll catch you all next time.